this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear bumper reflector on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a short Phillips head bit, we're going to remove the screw out of the reflector. Remove the screw, push on the back of the reflector, and pull out this side tab on the back side of the bumper. You're going to pull to the right or the passenger side and remove the reflector. Install the reflector into the bumper. Start by putting in this left side and then push this side into place. Install the Phillips head screw. I'm getting mine lined up and started by hand and snug it down. Get it nice and snug, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.